Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to set do not disturb hours for alerts in Trim. Do you want to stop Trim notifications from interrupting your evenings or weekends? With do not disturb settings you can control exactly when alerts come through. Here's how to set it up. First, open the Trim app on your mobile device, and then you're going to tap the menu icon, or you could just go to settings. There you're going to select notifications from the list, and then look for an option called do not disturb, or it could be called quiet hours. Set your start and end time, for example from 9 p.m. to 8 a.m. if you don't want notifications overnight. Once this is set, Trim will pause alerts during these hours. No interruptions while you're relaxing, sleeping, or focusing. This is a pretty important note. High priority alerts like suspicious transactions may still come through depending of course on your preferences. You can adjust these under alert exceptions if needed. And just like that, you've taken back control of your peace and quiet without missing anything important. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to manage emails versus in-app alerts. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss out. That's pretty much it for the video guys, and I'll see you in the next one.